Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Terminalius Maximus token. Ticker symbol is Baron. Now this token is trending #1 right now on DEX Screener in the Solana section, doing very well. This token just came out within the past 24 hours. Already has a 24-hour trading volume of $94.5 million. That's how crazy this token's going today. We're going to go over the information on the Baron token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. So you can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Terminalius Maximus is the name of the token. Trending #1. They have been doing some marketing boosts on DEX Screener, which has probably helped to get them to the #1 spot here. They have the 3,500 lightning bolt marketing boost ads button there. So ticker symbol BARON. This token has a market cap right now of $3.3 million, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. They are up 2,757% in the past 24 hours. Now obviously this is going to fluctuate because of how popular this token is. 24-hour trading volume is $94.6 million. They have 215,855 transactions just today. Token price is 0.0035 USD. And right now they have $445,000 worth of liquidity in Radium. And according to DEX Screener, 99.99% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Now, this token pair here was created 20 hours, 43 minutes ago on Radium. That's how brand new this project is. They have 916 pooled SOL in Radium, which is equivalent to 64,610,000 pooled Baron tokens. This token was created on pump.fun. You can tell because the contract address ends in pump. And they have a quick audit here on DEX Screener. It says no mintable tokens and contract is not freezable. So Baron is the infinite void inside the matrix. That is the tagline for this token. You can find their Telegram at Baron_on_SOLAN, and they have 298 subscribers. You could preview the channel before joining, but that Telegram is going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, like new token listing announcements, new partnerships, memes, updates, all that stuff. And same with their Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here as usual. At Baron SEUS, so Baron Sus. It's kind of like Maximus. What is the first one called? Terminal Maximus? Now I'm confused. All these crazy spin-offs I've confused which the first one is. Anyways, the Terminal token from Truth Terminal was probably the first one here, and then there's all these play off of that token here because of that one was being so popular. And they're mostly all on the Solana blockchain, just like this one. And if you wanted to get this token, you can see that the contract address is real easy to find right on the Twitter right there. So first of all, if you wanted to get this token, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Solflare wallet, Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet. Any one of those wallets you could use. You could download from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund that wallet with Sol. Now you can fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you'd go into the dApps, you would find Radium, and then you would trade your Sol for the Baron token using the contract address you could find right there on their Twitter. You probably will not have to set slippage. I haven't seen anything about taxes as of yet. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees when buying tokens off of Radium. Now, this token may also be available on other Solana dexes like Meteora, Jupiter, and Orca. And it could become available on central exchanges as well. And that's why it's a good idea to follow their socials like the Twitter here for new updates. Brand new token just came out today. So there could, I mean, if it continues to do well, they could have central exchange listings coming up. Now, they have 58 posts so far on the Twitter. They do have a link to their Telegram right there. They just joined in March. Oh, this is an old Twitter, actually. March 2014. Looks like they revamped it. 48,200 Twitter followers. And, yeah, so in their pinned tweet, it says, System update, status launched, process, token deployment complete. And then it has the contract address there, and it says, the future is live. So the Baron grips tighten, momentum builds, the chart trembles, and the empire expands. Dominance grows, expansion is inevitable, the Baron will prevail, the matrix stirs, Baron is primed for its next ascent. The charts can't contain this momentum. So their webpage, you can find linked on Dex Screener, is at Terminalius Maximus.xyz. So basically just the name and then .xyz. It says the biggest terminal on Solana, has links to their Telegram, Twitter, and their DEX tools and DEX Screener chart. Now you can also find the token on BirdEye, SolScan, has the contract address. And then basically it says their web page is coming soon, so it's not like fully done yet or anything like that. But you can also find another quick audit for this token here on DEX Tools. And basically it says here, contract verified. It says no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. Keep in mind, though, that is just a quick audit. It's not a full audit. It doesn't go over everything. But this token does have 41,085 holders so far. 2 different liquidity providers doing very well. So go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.